A lovely little MG saloon we've got here for you. Right nice little thing. That choke, or is that throttle? Hang on a second, that might be, oh yeah, there you go, there we go. She's stone cold, I've got my fingers there on the manifold. There she is, ticking over there nicely. And she's really nice on the body. The usual areas where they go, you know, they're normally a little bit edgy, you know, a little bit chippy, a little bit edgy. That area there is normally showing signs of requiring immediate attention. Door bottoms are the same, they're normally showing signs of, you know, of badness there, all around the wheel arches and so forth. In fact, most areas, around the screens, around the gutters, around the sunroof, where the panels meet, normally speaking there's issues, there's a something. But she's right level, she's nice. Sunroof there opens as well. I've just opened that up. And she's certainly different. You know, you see enough of these in black, don't you? You know, or burgundy, you know, maroon, call it what you will. But what a bonny colour scheme. In fact, many years ago, we used to adopt this colour scheme. We were two-tone blue. We had our lorries in two-tone blue. Yeah, many years ago. And then we changed to a more sort of country green when we, in about 1989, I think. Something like that. But for years and years, we were, when I was a kid, we were two-tone blue. Very similar. So, there you go. I've taken about 70 odd photographs, so loads of photographs for you, so you can get a real good feel for it. But it is nicely presented. Again, to the sort of level that I like personally. Not over fond on these things that were done last Tuesday. Can shine like hell, but they're all waiting to go wrong. And this gives the impression that it is an older restoration, so it's had some time for this door that I'm about to open to fall off, and it hasn't fallen off, so chances are it won't fall off. So there you go. Hopefully the photographs together with this little video will give you a feel for the car. Next step obviously is to come down and have a look. But it's just a right bonny little thing. I'm sure you'll like it. If you like it in the photographs and videos, you'll like it stood here.